Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to easily add screen record button to control point on your iPhone on iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes under the video, and also friends, write your comments after watching. And let us get started with you. First, you'll need to swipe down on your iPhone screen from the right side from top to bottom to go to the item or control center. Then on the top left, tap on the plus sign pause. And now down the middle tap the Add Control function. Then to find the screen record button, you can either just swipe and find it, or you can write screen recording in the search box. Once you find that option, just click on it. And as you can see, it is instantly added to the controls. Here you can change its place as you like. You can resize it if you need to, and so on. To save your changes, just click on the empty box. And as you can see, the screen recording function will be added to your control. Friends, with this very simple and quick method, you can easily add screen recording button to your control point on your iOS 18 iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to write comments, also put your likes, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.